Hi everyone, my name is Didil and welcome to my kitchen. In this video, we're going to make a great side dish for summer. We're going to make roasted aubergines with a great spicy yogurt sauce. So, what I have in front of me is that I have 3 aubergines that has been cut. And what I did before is that I put them in salted water for about 20 minutes, and by that way, the salted water balanced out the bitterness of the aubergine and also kept them white so that they don't go darker in the color. And now I'm going to roast them. And to roast them, I'm salting them generously. And again, I'm covering them with some olive oil. So I would say about 4 tablespoons of olive oil. And I'm going to write down all the ingredients in the description box as always, so you can check it out. That looks great. And I'm going to give everything a mix with my hand because I want all the aubergines to have some olive oil on top. And I'm going to transfer this to the preheated oven at 200 Celsius degrees. And they're going to roast in there for about 30-35 minutes. And in the meantime, we're going to make the yogurt sauce. So for the yogurt, I have in front of me 200 grams of thick yogurt, about 1.5–2 cups. And to that, I'm adding a teaspoon of curry and about half a teaspoon of turmeric. Keep in mind, whenever you are using turmeric to activate its health benefits, you always have to incorporate some black pepper in. So I'm adding the black pepper in. Some salt, lime zest. If you don't have lime on hand, you can use lemons as well, and the juice. Oh, I love the smell of lime. I'm going to give everything a good mix and transfer it in the fridge, to the fridge, so that all these flavors come together. The yogurt is ready as well, and we're going to top this off with some amazing caramelized onions. And to make that, in my pan here, I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm adding 1 sliced onion in here. And I'm going to spice these up as well. So a little bit more curry, some coriander, and if you don't have the spice on hand, you can definitely top it off with some fresh coriander in the end, and some cumin. A little bit more salt, and I'm stirring until it's a little bit of caramelized, and then I'm going to add in the almonds. The onions look great now. And the salt really helps them soften up. So whenever you are making caramelized onions, do always add some salt. And now I'm adding in the almonds. And I'm going to saute this for an additional 5 minutes. And then it will be ready. And this looks great now as well. We're almost ready. The aubergines needs about another 15–20 minutes, and once they're completely roasted, we're going to put everything together. So once the aubergines are roasted, I'm putting them on a big plate. This one is actually perfect for this. Putting some of that thick yogurt that we prepared. Caramelized onions and almonds. Some kumquat, looks amazing. If you put this on a table, everyone is gonna love the way it looks. And now let's give it a taste. I'm taking some of that caramelized onion. The yogurt I already tasted. It's so good with all the spices. Beautiful. Beautiful. You can also fry the eggplants if you want to make this quicker, but because it's roasted, it's much lighter. Goes great with the caramelized onions, the crunchiness of the almonds, and coriander and the spicy yogurt. Just make it and, you know, like put it on everything and eat it. It's that delicious. I hope you guys did enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I share a lot of delicious recipes like this one, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.